Kuria lero nigo Abaremarete ime kaunti ya Kisii babwatana na bamwabo Ense Engima Gochengera Rituko lia balia bale no bolema ime yensemo yomwara cha Kisii culture korengana na barabo nigo osikorengana no muteneneri bwekyombe ky'abantu bale no bolema gia National Council for Persons with Disabilities ime kaunti ya Kisii James Eskon nigo aereire kirenga Rituko lia lero asoko bwaterania abale no bolema ase obokoreri muteneneri bw'obokoreri bw'abana ime kaunti ya Kisii Patrick Awino nigonere aganirie amasikani asa abale no bolema baigo muteneneri bw'ekyombe gia nakada agikeire bali bagotumika abale no bolema konia mariogo yogotindia nigo bono egati ya bali no bolema bagokeire obokonyi banyorire na kubulia ogosirwa ase chinjira akorwa ase chiserikali mulikito Petro Machini na mange
Itukuria rero ni gabonzi bali babwatu borema ime kaunti ya Kisii babwatana na bamwa Ense Engima Gochengera itukuria bali babwatu borema ime yensemo ya Kisii Culture Hall kuringana no muteneneri bw'ekyombe ky'abantu bali no borema gia National Council for Persons with Disabilities ime kaunti ya Kisii James Eskon nigo aereire kirenga kiritukuria rero.
Today's theme was fostering disability inclusive societies for advancing social progress. So we are calling all stakeholders from various that there is no development with anyone is left behind. There is no any progress that is made, and we are encouraging that every institution, either public or private, to ensure that disability mainstreaming has been upheld and the policies in terms of accessibility of buildings or any other accessibility is being upheld.
Asenseme muteneneri bw'omu county commissioner Joseph Maina nigatebire mirobero yokubwatirana egati serikali nene ye county eri gokonya abari no borema.
We as government were also able to enumerate the nature and kinds of benefits available to people living with disabilities. Specifically, we were able to enumerate the policy, the government, the national and county government policies on people living with disabilities. We have been able to give one wheelchair. We have also been able to give a few walking equipment to these people.
Muteneneri bw'obokoreri bw'abana ime kaunti ya Kisii Patrick Awino nigasensema yaenera aganirie amasikani asa abari no borema bwigo muteneneri bw'ekyombe gia nakada agikeire bali bagotumika abarema konia amariogo yogotindia.
There's what we call disability etiquette. Disability etiquette is a matter of saying persons with disability, not a person living with disability. Because to us, as per the Disability Act, that one is somehow derogatory. So it's more or less like it is better for us to be inclusive in terms of dignity, in terms of integrity, in terms of respect, and also in terms of considering us part and parcel of the entire community. Without us, there's nothing that's going to progress because we need a society that is inclusive. Nobody should be left behind.
We have also seen through our research that we conducted as NACADA quite a while ago that people with disabilities are also being used very badly as drug peddlers. So they peddle bang, they peddle heroin, they peddle illicit alcohol, and that is what we want to stand firm as NACADA against. And we want to say that those who are using people with disabilities to peddle all these substances, your days are numbered. And we want to see people with disabilities being empowered. They cannot be empowered if they're engaging in alcohol and drugs.
Nigo bono egati abari no borema bagokira obokonyi banyora itukuria rero na kuburia ogosirwa chinjira akorwa chiserikali.
Now through this article or act of parliament, it has been devolved to the governments, both governments, na wote sasa tunawaomba wafanye utekelezaji ambao unaweza ukasaidia mlemavu kufaidika zaidi. Kwa hivyo tena siku ya leo nimefaidika kuwa mmoja wao ambao walipewa mkongojo wa kutembelea. Kwa hivyo nauona ndio huu, na kwa hivyo nashukuru National Council for yale mazuri yote wanatufanyia, na pia tunaomba serikali zote zifuatilie mambo ya Global Disability Summit ya 2025 ambayo ilifanyika Berlin, na wafuatilie ndio walemavu wafanyiwe mahitaji yote ambayo wanahitajika.
I'm asking the county government to focus on the deaf, especially on interpretation. On issues of interpretation, we are facing challenges. Number one, in the hospital, there's communication barriers. When deaf come to the hospital, maybe a woman is pregnant and other different issues they have, there is no interpreter.
Kuripoteria Ense TV kure kaunti ya Kisii, Chepethuel Machin.